Hey guys, it's RC Freak 69, and I'm finally making another bike video. I got kind of a cold, so if I sound all stuffed up, that's why. I got some new parts for my bike from Vane BMX. These grips, I just put them on from my stock Haro, and these blue bars are Guerrera bars. The brake lever is a Guerrera brake lever, and the stem is an amber, and these pedals are amber too. And then I got this red amber 25 tooth sprocket. Next thing I think I'm gonna get is the little spacers in there, and I think I'm gonna get them in red, and then blue axle nuts. Yeah, and I got a bunch of stickers from the handlebars, so I think I'll put those on. There's my Toyota. I'm just doing a little paint job to it. I just painted that part today. Taped up that. I didn't really care about the keyhole because I think it looks better now. And it's black. I got a bunch of paint on the window, but just take some lacquer thinner and that'll come right off. And I want to show you guys my quad and 3 dirt bikes. That's my quad. Just a little thing, but gotta turn off the fuel. I've had it for, let's see, about 7 to 11 years. Still runs fine, starts up first kick. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And I just recently got new tires for it. Pretty good. There's my 2003 YZ85. My friend Rock Crawler Freak 1 is learning how to ride that. And this is my 04 CRF 150F. And the chain got all effed up. I don't know how. See right there? It went around and then it got caught back up there. Right there. And it messed it all up. Well, it didn't really mess anything up, but it just, like, yeah, I just got all caught up in there. And this is my 2002 YZ125. Here's what it looks like. I'd say this is probably the nicest bike I have here, even though it's the oldest. It's really fun, but recently the chain broke, so there's no chain on it. I'm gonna get that soon once I earn the money. Yeah, there's the tires on my truck. Goes in about that deep. Those are pretty new. They costed about $1,50. They're 35s. And I think they're 1.5 feet. No. 12 inches. 12.5 inches. There we go. Yeah, I think those are 12.5 inches wide. And here's a new dirt bike tire for my YZ85. Brand new. I'll show you the one that's on it right now. Pretty bad. And yeah, that's about it for my truck, dirt bikes, quad. Yeah, so that's it for today. So yeah, comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you. Goodbye.